Hey all of you, welcome back once again. So in the last video we have built the entire context, we redesigned the entire context, and we have also made our header section workable. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure to watch it. I will link in the I button in the description so you guys can follow that. In this video we're going to start working on the banner section. So here we are in the index.js page. We'll click on this banner and we're going to start working on it. So here we're going to take a variable. We'll take a, let's say, category, and it will be an array, and we'll type of our object. So we'll have the name of that particular category, housing, and we'll have the link, housing. Let's format that properly. After that we'll have the worth. So this one is hardcode data. You can simply build a simple script which can calculate the entire worth of property in particular category. You can build that logic very easily. So like the way we have built the logic for the top seller and their addresses and their wallet, you can build the same logic here, but I'm not going to do that unnecessary work. So we are going with this hardcode data. So let's give this hardcode data, simply replicate it couple of times. So we'll have these 6 different categories we have, and that's all we'll display here. So we'll say office, this will be office, this will be, let's say, housing, let's say farmhouse, small f, and this will be the rental, let's say small r, and the last one is going to be is the commercial, and we need one more, the country. So simply grab this one and we have to paste here, and this will be the country with small c. You can change this value. Okay, that looks fine, no issues we have in this. So that looks good. So the entire category is ready. So we have all of this category. Let me find out, this is the extra one we have, remove this one, and now it's good. So we have the category, and all we have to do is to render this data. So we can come here. So like we have designed this template in such a way that, just imagine that you want to run a ad system, you want to promote any particular property on this particular marketplace. So that's what you can do, and this is the section we have built for that. So what we am going to do, I'm going to promote a specific property. So what I will do, I'll call this the blockchain coder. So just imagine that you have a property name, that's not name, you're going to provide it, and here you're going to provide the options. Okay, so I'll say join membership, and here I'm going to display the actual property name. Okay, so this is the entire, I will remove that one. I have to get into the property, a portfolio folder. Inside the portfolio I have this particular image, portfolio 11.jpg. Save it. Okay, the image is broken. Come here, go to the public file folder. Inside that I have this portfolio, inside that I have this 11 number. So maybe I have done some spelling mistake, that's why I'm getting this error. So what I will do here, still I'm getting this error message. So okay, I will simply remove that one, and I'm going to simply say rename. I'm going to simply copy that one, and I'll come here, I'm going to simply provide that. So I'll say property/property and jpg. So this one is going to be a promotion tab, whether you want to promote any particular property, that's what you can do it here. So that's the promotion tab we have, and here we're going to render the entire there. So we have built the array, category array. Simply come here, this is the one we have, copy that one. Simply come here, remove this one and paste category, and we have to simply change the images. So this is the one we have, simply remove this one and we'll take this href, and we have to build the url, because we have the category component, and in that we're going to use this particular page for as a usable one. So let's build that. I know it sounds complicated, but just follow along with me. So we'll take this category, and in that we have to pass the query. So we have the category, and let's do in this way. So what we can do, come here, we have to import the link tag, because we have to send the query as well. So this is coming from the next slash link. So we have the link tag, simply grab that one, and that's what we're going to paste here, link, and simply remove this one. We'll take the href attribute, we'll take this href, and we have to pass the path. So come on, path, and the path is going to be like this. So we'll take this template literal, we define the category, and then we have to send the link. Okay, and we have to send the query as well, because on the base of this query we have to filter the data because we have multiple categories. And here we have to send the query, so which is element.name, and we have to provide this one. So in this way we'll have the query in the URL, so we can fetch that query from the URL and we can filter the data. So that looks pretty fine. And here we have to change the images, so simply copy and paste here, and here we're going to convert it into a template literal. So take this one and take this one, and here we're going to simply change this one. So we'll say I plus 12 or 15, whatever you can see all the images are changed, so looking fine. And here we're going to display the particular category name, so which will have element.name, and here we're going to display the worth, element.worth, and we have say the Matty coin. So you can see it's looking absolutely fine. If you click, we can easily able to redirect to the category page, and we'll have the query in the URL, and we're going to fetch this particular query from the URL and filter the data. So that's the entire logic we have. So looks fine. So that's absolutely looking incredible. You can see this is the one we have and where we are passing. So looks fine. Now we can start working on the other section of our application. So if I reload the browser, you can see here we have the bidding section, and this is the one where we're going to display our components. The only thing I want to talk about in this video. I hope you guys have understood that how we are receiving the data into the component and rendering. That's a very easy one, and that's really powerful. So you have to understand these components, structure and data transferring system in applications, so that will save a lot of your life. So let's move to the next video.